Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by diagnosing quickly. Check model and firmware, make sure battery is at least 50%, and remove the micro SD card. Once done, power cycle while noting LED patterns and error messages so you know whether it's power, storage, or software. You'll work on a static-free mat with a small Torx driver, spudger, and magnifier. This saves time and prevents damage. Make sure you document each step. That helps when you reassemble, and verify the fix. You now remove the rear case and disconnect the battery. Keep screws organized. Once open, visually inspect the sensor, lens actuator, flex ribbons, and solder joints for corrosion or loose connectors. Then measure battery voltage and continuity on key traces. Replace any bulging or low-voltage cells. Next, test the micro SD in a reader and run the camera motor by gently actuating the lens. This isolates mechanical from board failures. If you finish by replacing the defective component, battery, ribbon cable, or lens motor, and reflow any cracked solder joints if you can. Once reassembled, flash the correct firmware and format the micro SD using the camera's utility. This prevents corrupt files and throttling. Test record at 1080p, check audio sync, and verify stabilization. If problems persist, a single troubleshooting tip. Try a known good micro SD and factory firmware to rule out storage or software issues before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.